This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Micron Technology has ended its 6-month correction and could test April's high in coming weeks. Taking a look back, the stock performed very well. Starting after the March 2020 low, we have this rally up to the mid 50s, followed by a very strong rally that stalled just 54 cents below Micron's all-time high posted back here during the internet bubble in 2000. Now, this downtrend, the correction, which lasted right until October, ended right about here. As you can see, it came up to this sort of trend line of lower highs and broke out in November. Came up almost to the 786 retracement, and it's been consolidating since about November 22nd. And a lot of that has to do with the Omicron variant. Now, the daily stochastic is coming down to an oversold level, but if you take a look again at the monthly stochastic, you can see we're in a very strong buy cycle now, so that outlook is really good. However, we may still have to fill this gap right down here and test these now rising 50 and 200-day moving averages. So I would say if we get any more downside right in here below 80 and maybe down to the mid to upper 70s, that can mark a very good buying opportunity. Now, from that point, I think we're going to get very strong performance in the 2022. Expectations for growth are improving very rapidly. There's been a lot more sales than expected. Pricing is still an issue, but if we get robust enough sales, price is not going to matter as much. So heading into 2022, I think the outlook is very, very good, especially if you take a look at this broad pattern, and you will see we have two highs here, and then hopefully what's going to be the handle in a multi-decade cup and handle pattern. And once we get a breakout into 100 and Micron finally joins the rest of the semiconductor universe at all-time highs, we could get very rapid growth and a very good annual performance from the stock.